Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a midterm. First, establish a clear study schedule. Dedicate specific blocks of time to each subject, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Next, divide your course material into smaller, digestible segments. This approach prevents overwhelm and makes learning more efficient. Finally, collect all your resources, like class notes and textbooks, before you begin. This preparation sets a strong foundation for effective studying. Now, let's dive into active learning. Instead of just rereading, practice active recall by quizzing yourself on the material. Try to explain complex ideas in your own words, as if teaching someone else. This method highlights areas where your understanding might be weak. Incorporate tools like flashcards for vocabulary or practice problems for math. Engaging with the content in these ways significantly boosts retention and comprehension. Consistent review is crucial for success. Regularly revisit topics you've already covered to keep the information fresh in your mind. Simulate the actual midterm experience by taking practice exams under timed conditions. This helps you manage your time effectively during the real test. After each practice session, carefully analyze your performance. Pinpoint specific areas where you struggled so you can focus your remaining study efforts there. On the day before and of your midterm, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get a full night's sleep. A rested mind performs much better. Eat a nutritious meal and stay hydrated to maintain focus throughout the exam. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Arrive early, take a few deep breaths, and approach the test with confidence. You've prepared well.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.